When filming your science, you might have a couple of cameras set up for different angles, or maybe a camera and a separate audio device that's close to you to get good audio. Then you're going to have to sync those up in post. So let's have a look at how we do that, how we sync up audio in Final Cut. I've already got my clips in here as well as some audio. Now we could do this manually. Like I literally could bring in this A-roll and just drop it down. You can see the audio just there. And then I've got this clip. This is actually the same audio, but we're going to imagine that it's different. I'm just going to bring in a bit of it so that we can start then thinking about how we match these up manually. So let's just go up to the end. So I just want to listen to this by itself. So what does it sound like?
Which isn't ideal. Down the valley.
Isn't ideal down the valley. So let's look for that in here.
Followed by fog and mist, which isn't ideal. Down the valley.
All right, that was lucky. Found it straight away. So somewhere around that part. Actually these peaks line up really, really well. So let's line those up. Those look the same. Let's try that.
Fog and mist, which isn't ideal.
A weird effect, but if I mute the in-camera audio and just have the external audio, sounds like this.
Ideal. Down the valley to my left.
Perfect. But actually in Final Cut, we can actually do that automatically. So in here, we've got a couple of different shots. Let's just take these two, or maybe just take all three. I want to make sure that all this is, we get all of it, because we want all the audio. Highlight all three, and then come up here to clip and go to synchronize clips. We'll let it do its automatic thing, just synchronize clip and press OK. And that's going to synchronize this then, and it's all in here, so we can drag this down to the bottom. I notice it's only just one big shot. We've only got this one angle and we've only got the one audio. But what we can do then is if we want to see all of that is we double click and then we can see each shot by itself. So we can take a look at this one, or take a look at that one, and we've got all the audio. So if we play this.
Sort of sat just above the tall glaze.
And it is proper perfect in there. But imagine these were in-camera audio. We don't want that. So let's bring those down, bring that down, and just the external audio. That's all we want.
The tall glacier behind me.
That's absolutely perfect. So that's how we sync those in Final Cut. And what that means is that when you're shooting with different cameras and an external recorder, try and make sure that those external those cameras have good audio nonetheless. Don't turn the audio off on them. If you can, put a microphone on them as well, just to capture some more good audio. Final Cut's going to want to try and find all the different parts of the audio, the conversation and the likes, and try and sync it up using that audio. So put the microphones on all your cameras, get a good external recorder in to get good audio, and hopefully that will be good audio for your science films.